What's the meaning of balaclava? Balaclava. Balaclava.
Balaclava. Balaclava. A balaclava is a type of headgear that covers the entire head, exposing only the face and sometimes the eyes. It is typically made of lightweight, stretchable fabric such as wool or fleece. The name balaclava originated from the town of Balaclava in Crimea, where British soldiers wore this headgear during the Crimean War. In modern times, balaclavas are often used for outdoor activities such as skiing, snowboarding, and motorcycling, as they provide warmth and protection from the elements. However, they are also sometimes associated with criminal activity, as they can be used to conceal one's identity during a robbery or other illicit activity.